You are special. You are a Muslim. You are the follower of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. You are a Muslim. And Allah is waiting for you. The angels are waiting for you. The Ummah is waiting for you to wake up and come back to Allah. Wake up and start worshipping Allah once more. And if you're worshipping, then take this arrogance out of your heart. We have so much work to do. If we just believed in ourselves, wallahi, for you, Allah will move mountains. The same Allah that split the ocean in half for Musa, the same Allah that split the moon for Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the same Allah that gave life to the dead for Isa alayhi salatu wassalam, is the same Allah that's waiting for your next dua.